Hey guys, good morning. I don't know, every time I come to see the doctor, I get so emotional. I don't know why, but it just happens every time, and then it happens when they check my blood pressure. It's like not before, but afterwards. It's like, okay, I'm relieved when my pressure is not high, especially that yesterday was the gender reveal and I had so much going on, you know, the excitement with the games and everything that we were doing, and then before that, the preparation. So I knew I wasn't getting enough rest, and it just, you know, I don't know why. And I just text my husband and I tell him, because he didn't know. Like I said, every time I come to the doctor, every time I check my blood pressure at the doctor, because I've been checking it at home, I'm not gonna lie, it's been over 3 weeks I haven't checked it. But every time I come to the doctor and they check it, I get so emotional and I start crying, and I just look up and I said, thank you, Jesus, because have been going through it, and that's one of the reasons why I didn't want to get pregnant, because of my blood pressure. But then I started thinking, like, you know what, maybe I just put this on myself and I'm overthinking, and you know, I just be laying burden on myself, and you know, I just need to relax. And I start taking it a little bit more, like I start to be a little bit more relaxed and stuff like that. But also too, because I'm pregnant, and I know that during pregnancy there's, you know, stuff go up, stuff come down, and everything just changes with the body. I'm always, you know, worried, and I think it's normal, but I do pray about it. And I'm just thankful. Like, I'm really thankful, because I was worried. I go through I think I go through depression with my pressure. Like, every time I get so sad when I'm supposed to check it. If I do check it and it's normal, oh my God, I'm okay. But my anxiety, my panic attacks start getting dizzy. I start, if it's ever I start getting dizzy. I start having, my heart start beating fast. I just don't know how to calm down whenever it's high. And I start to control that, start doing breathing and stuff like that. And you know what, just try to relax. Before, I was going through it with, especially after Janae was born, I think I had depression, like postpartum depression. I think I slightly had it, because I was going through it. One time, I think Duffy did it for me. Like, literally, I thought something was wrong with me. Something just hit me one day, and I knew I had, my doctor keep telling me, I was at my doctor's office every day, and he keep telling me that I'm fine. I just have, you know, panic disorder or panic attacks, and I'm gonna turn it into disorder. And I was there every day until he had to do, I do several art tests. And the last one I did was an Ultra test, where they had to monitor my heart for 24 hours. So I had to go home with the machine and sleep with the machine. They did string me up. I think I have a picture. I'm gonna look for it and see if I can show you guys. But yeah, I've been going through it, and I'm just thankful right now, to be honest. I'm thankful we're having another girl, but I'm so thankful that my health is okay thus far, and I'm still gonna pray. And yeah, just be thankful. So you guys just keep us in your prayers. And yeah, because I think that we're blessed. I think that everything is for a reason, and I do think that, you know, we're not gonna get stuff that we can't bear. So I'm just thankful. Like, every single time I'm in here and I check my pressure, it's high. You guys know that I've been suffering with these stuff around my mouth. I don't know, but it seems like it's fading. But anywho, I tell my doctor I need to see a dermatologist. So let's see if she's gonna let me see one. I'm gonna show it to her. She hasn't seen it, but I did spoke to her. So when she comes in, I'll definitely show it to her. So I'm just waiting. Anyway, guys, I'll be back. Okay, guys, I am done with my appointment. So I'm leaving the doctor. Everything is pretty good. Everything is great, actually. You know, at first, every time I come to the doctor, I'm in a zone that is, you know, can't explain it. I can't. But I feel good. Everything is good. Baby's okay. Baby girl is okay. We just actually found out the gender, and it's another girl. So we are stuck with 4 girls. And then she said to me, my doctor, I can hear the heartbeat. Sounds like a girl. So, but I was there talking to her about the stuff that's on my face, but she's saying, hey, it's not going nowhere. However, when I was in Jamaica, I didn't pay it no mind, whereas it wasn't this bad, to be honest, and I didn't pay it no mind, didn't see no dermatologist nor nothing. I just ride on with it. But since I'm here, it's been a little bit more, so I was like, I don't know, maybe something is wrong. But I think it's just the change of climate, and you know, that's what I think. So she did say if I want to see a dermatologist, yeah, I can see one, but it's something during the pregnancy. I don't remember the name that she called, but it's normal, and that's totally fine. But if there's something, you know, that I can use, even though my skin is so sensitive, definitely I'll take the recommendation. So I still want to see the dermatologist to see, but yeah, see all these areas. When I do my makeup, you don't see it, but this is what I have to go through until like maybe 3 months after the baby's born, it start, you know, fading and stuff like that. But just giving you guys an update, yeah, on the pregnancy. Baby girl is okay, so it's time for us to start searching for names. And yeah, so that's it. Another girl, like but yeah, I'm excited. Everything is all right. My pressure is okay. And like the video I did first inside there, I was feeling some type of way, because every time I'm at the doctor, it's like I get in my zone where, you know, before I do my what you call it, my pressure, and then, you know, afterwards, ooh, what a relief. I feel so good. But I'm excited, I'm blessed, I'm thankful, and I'm, you know, appreciate everything. So I just gotta live, you know, you feel me? But I'll keep you guys up to date. I'm heading back home. I think my next visit, I'm gonna have to do another test. My blood work is okay. The only thing I had was some iron pills. I'm taking them because a midwife, she had sent me a message, and she was like, Chrissy, you need to start taking those pills, because if anything, when you're having the baby or whatever, because they were making me sick, but I took her advice and start taking them when I'm going to bed, so I should be okay. Also, if there's any doctor or nurse or dermatologist or anybody know anything about skin, can you please tell me the name of the condition during the pregnancy with the stuff in my face? I think I want to read up on it, because this is the 4th time with all kids I do have it. So I want to read up on it, so I can probably pass on the information to somebody else, or I can just understand a little bit more, because it was the norm. You know, my mom said the same thing. It was just the norm, and I was like, okay, I'll get over it. But I would love to read up on it and just, you know, have an explanation to say to people like, hey, this is what I'm going through and stuff like that. But definitely I would appreciate if somebody know and can tell me. Or I know people go through it, or if anybody has ever been through it where they have the white spots they just push out in their face during pregnancy, I would love to, you know, hear about it. Yeah, but I'm so excited. Listen, I'm excited that my health thus far is okay. I still have the glucose test to do. I think it's on my next visit, so afterwards that we're totally fine, and the blood pressure is under control. It's like kind of funny though, because my blood pressure before pregnancy, it did being up and down, up and down, up and down, and now it's like it's on the norm. It's low. So you know what, it's God works. I'm not even gonna question it. I'm not even gonna stress it. I'm just thankful when I tell you. And every time I do check it, like I said, you know, me cry. My husband never know, Chrissy never know, but I think I text him this morning and tell him I did have another video while I was there, just being thankful in it. I'm definitely gonna look for that clip. It was my last visit, so it's a month ago. So I'm gonna look for it and, you know, probably insert it too, because I don't know, let me just explain to you guys how I'm feeling. I know somebody else probably is out there worried, or was, you know, worried, because we are human beings. We are gonna worry about stuff. We are gonna be like, okay then, until somebody or the doctor or we deliver the baby and see that, okay, Chrissy, everything is fine. Okay, everything is fine. So yeah, for now I just gotta, you know, stay prayed up and just be thankful. But I appreciate you guys. I love you guys. The support is like genuine, it's real, and it's you know, it's, I don't want to say unbelievable, because people see realness and people see and understand, you know, stuff that we're going through and stuff. But we just appreciate it, you know. And big up on yourself. Make sure you guys just like this video. Make sure you turn your post notification on. Make sure you subscribe, okay? Make sure you follow us on Facebook and just keep up to date with everything that's going on. I'm bringing you guys on my journey. I did not have nobody to share my other kids' journey with, so this is the fourth one, and I guess it's the same thing. I'm not in Jamaica no more, so it's a little bit different, but I'm here to share my story. I love you guys so much. Stay prayed up, stay blessed, you know, have a wonderful day. Take away negativity from your mind. Stuff do happens, you know, we lose people, we gain people. It's life. You know, just stay prayed up and stay around the positive vibe and get that energy, because even right now we do need that, because of everything that's going on with this world. We are in a crisis where we can't see people, we can't talk to people. COVID has been doing us really, really bad. But then, hey, it's not just me or you feeling it, it's the whole world feeling it. So we have to come together, and I believe people need to start getting down on their knees and pray some more, because we are focusing on too much of the outside stuff and not, you know, sitting down and spending time with God. We need to sit down and, you know, put our phones down, me too, and then we start pray. We need to pray and pray more and pray and pray and pray, because we need it. You know, this world needs a prayer. So that's just my little message, because I be praying, I be talking to God, you know, I be talking to him like he's my friend. Like, listen, we're going on the road, we're gonna see what we can get. So I'm like, you know, I'm kind of weird, but it is what it is. I love you guys. Make sure you tell somebody about the Carter family. Make sure you tell somebody about WatchCrissyWork. I'm still grinding palettes, everything. We have our relaunch coming soon, so super excited for that. Until next time, guys, always remember that God is love and he's here for us. Okay, I love you guys. Bye.